Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your retirement fund with Vanguard, detailed guide step by step clearly. Vanguard is known for its low-cost investing options, making it an ideal choice for retirement funds. Begin by assessing your current retirement savings. Gather statements from any existing retirement accounts, such as 401(k), S or IRAs. Next, determine your retirement goals. Consider factors like your desired retirement age and lifestyle. Identify how much money you will need in retirement. Use a retirement calculator to estimate your future financial needs. Now, create a budget for your retirement savings. Set a monthly contribution target to help reach your goals. Once your budget is set, create or log into your Vanguard account. If you don't have an account, sign up for one and provide the required personal information. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the Vanguard interface. Explore the various retirement investment options available. Consider selecting a target retirement fund. These funds automatically adjust their asset allocation as you approach retirement. Alternatively, you may choose to invest in index funds or ETFs. Research and compare fund performance and expense ratios. Choose a diversified mix of asset classes to balance risk. Decide on the percentage allocation for stocks, bonds, and other assets. Once allocations are determined, set up automatic contributions. This helps ensure consistent investments over time. Next, periodically review your investment performance. Check if your asset allocation remains aligned with your retirement goals. Adjust your investments as needed based on market conditions or life changes. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Stay informed about Vanguard's investment options and market trends. Finally, remain committed to your retirement savings plan. Regularly revisit your goals and adapt your strategies as necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.